Hey, no talk. We need to talk about Yajirobe being nerfed. Now, I was perfectly okay with it. As somebody who made Yajirobe for a little bit, I can understand where his sister being shit could get a little bit carried away. I understand. But my nigga, you gotta take down the health bar too. The health bar too. Like, bro, all we literally ask is for you guys to just make it slightly harder for this nigga to pop a sister being during a fight, so he ain't winning by timeouts. Better yet, you could do. Make it unlimited. Make it unlimited. Why do we have a time limit on anything anyway? That shit lame. Give us enough time to decide shit, please. That's all I ask for you. Alright,